There you are.
Thanks. Were Cecilia and Guido at the party?
Yes, they were. But they arrived early. The party hadn't started, and the dancing hadn't begun.
Dalam percakapan tadi, Jane memakai tense yang baru, tetapi dalam kalimat menyangkal. Coba ulangi beberapa dari kalimat tadi sesudah Jane.
The party hadn't started. The dancing hadn't begun. No one had eaten.
Saudara pendengar, Mrs. Scott membantu Mr. Scott dalam perusahaannya yang baru. Saudara tentunya masih ingat, dia adalah seorang pemborong bangunan dan baru saja membuka perusahaan pemborong bangunan sekembalinya ke kota dari pedalaman.
Bert, did you check the lists yesterday?
No, I didn't, because Helen had already checked them.
I see. And did you fill the form in?
No, I didn't, because my partner had already filled it in.
Did he count the money too?
No, he didn't, because I had already counted it.
Mr. dan Mrs. Scott memakai tense yang baru dengan kata already. Ulangilah apa yang dikatakan Mr. Scott.
Did you check the lists?
No, I didn't, because Helen had already checked them.
Did you fill the form in?
No, I didn't, because my partner had already filled it in.
Did he count the money too?
No, he didn't, because I had already counted it.
Baiklah, berikut ini akan saudara dengar beberapa pertanyaan yang mengandung kata before. Coba dengarkan percakapan antara Mrs. Scott dan Mrs. Rossi. Saudara masih ingat, nama kecil mereka adalah Margaret dan Cecilia.
Hello, Margaret.
Hello, Cecilia. Come in. What about a cup of tea?
No, thanks. I can't stay long. I came to tell you about last night. Guido and I went to an Italian club. I heard Mario Topano sing.
Had you heard him before then?
No, I hadn't. And we saw Sofia Martino dance.
Had you seen her before?
No. And I ate squid and...
Had you eaten it before?
No. And Guido played the poker machines.
Had he played them before?
No, he hadn't. And I don't think he'll play them again. He lost $2.
Coba dengarkan contoh berikut.
I heard Mario Topano sing.
Had you heard him before?
Nah, sekarang giliran saudara untuk bertanya. Pakailah him, her, it, and them dalam pertanyaan saudara. Dan jangan lupa mengulangi pertanyaan yang betul sesudah Mrs. Scott.
I heard Mario Topano sing.
Had you heard him before?
I saw Sofia Martino dance.
Had you seen her before?
I ate squid.
Had you eaten it before?
Baiklah. Sekarang mari kita latih beberapa pertanyaan lagi dengan kata why, tetapi kali ini bersifat menyangkal. Coba dengarkan dulu contoh berikut.
Why didn't you go to see that film?
Because I'd seen it before.
Apakah tadi saudara menangkap bunyi ed ketika Cecilia mengatakan,
Because I'd seen it before.
bagus. Nah, sekarang jawablah pertanyaan Mrs. Scott. Jawaban saudara harus mulai dengan kata because. Dan jangan lupa mengulangi jawaban yang betul sesudah Cecilia. Siap, saudara-saudara?
Why didn't you see that film?
Because I'd seen it before.
Why didn't you read that book?
Because I'd read it before.
Baiklah, saudara-saudara. Saudara pendengar, kita telah berlatih menggunakan tense baru ini yang disebut the past perfect tense untuk menerangkan sesuatu kejadian yang telah selesai sebelum suatu saat tertentu di masa lampau. Tense ini dapat juga dipakai untuk menggambarkan suatu kejadian yang selesai sebelum suatu kejadian lain di masa lampau. Untuk ini, kita sering menggunakan kata when, artinya ketika. Berikut ini, Jane akan menelpon ibunya. Coba dengarkan.
Hello? Oh, hello, Jane. How are you? What have you been doing?
I've been busy. I went into town yesterday.
What did you do there?
Well, first I did some shopping. I finished about 11. Later I met Anne Smart.
What time did you meet her?
At 11:30. I finished my shopping first, and then I met her. I'd already finished my shopping when I met her.
Coba dengarkan lagi apa yang dikatakan Jane selanjutnya.
I'd already finished my shopping when I met her.
What did you do then?
We had coffee and sandwiches, and later we went to an art exhibition. We'd already had coffee and sandwiches when we went to the art exhibition. Later, I dropped in to see Helen, and then I came home.
Nah, sekarang mari kita berlatih. Coba dengarkan dulu contoh berikut.
I finished my shopping, and later I met Anne Smart.
I'd finished my shopping when I met Anne Smart.
Perhatikan, dalam contoh tadi, Mrs. Scott tidak memakai kata already. Karena dalam hal ini, kata itu tidak begitu penting. Sekarang, coba saudara ubah kalimat yang diucapkan Jane menjadi kalimat yang mengandung kata when. Dan pakailah the past perfect tense untuk kata kerja pertama.